Welcome to FILAM Cuisine. Today, please join me in cooking fish caldereta. Let's do it. Now, here are the ingredients. We have garlic, onions, carrots, potato, we have red and green bell pepper, tomatoes, and we have fried catfish here, steak catfish. We got olives, salt and pepper, coconut milk, chicken broth, fish sauce, olive oil, chicken bouillon, dried bay leaves, and chili flakes. So let's proceed to cooking. In our hot pan here, we put our olive oil or vegetable oil. It's your choice. Okay. Put our onions. Give it a minute to cook it. Give it a minute to cook the onions. Now let's add our garlic. Okay. Give it another minute. Let's put our tomatoes. And add a little of fish sauce. Let's mix it and give it 2 to 3 minutes to cook the tomatoes. Let's add some black pepper. All right. Let's check our tomatoes. Wow, tomatoes are cooked now. So this is the right time to put our carrots. Okay. Our potatoes. And we'll give it a stir. All right. Now we're gonna put some chicken broth. Okay. And we'll simmer this for the next 3 minutes. Now let's check our veggies. All right. This is half cooked now, and we're gonna put our red and green bell pepper. Okay. We're gonna put a couple of our bay leaves. Dried bay leaves. Okay. All right. Okay. And this is the time to put our fish. Okay. Put the fish in. There you go. Go. There. Looks good. And now we're gonna add a little of coconut milk. Okay. All right. We'll simmer this for the next 3 minutes, and we'll check it after 3 minutes. Wow, looks so good. Now we're gonna add a little of our chicken bouillon. Okay, just a teaspoon of chicken bouillon. Okay, all right. So a pinch of chili flakes. All right, and let's simmer for the next 2 minutes. Now we will check on our caldereta. Wow, smells really good. Now we're gonna add our olives. All right, cover it again. Wait another minute and it's done. Here's the finished product. Fish caldereta. Please share this recipe and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so. Thank you for watching and have a good day.